So how many minutes a day? You might as well just have groceries on there too.
You're welcome, Jeff Bezos. Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here. Clouds and radar, not showing anything too exciting right now. We've got, at this point, clear sky. Once that sun comes up, that's going to be a few minutes before 7 a.m. Live look outside. Ally Medical Emergency Room camera there in Bastrop looking pretty good as well. Temperatures not too shabby as we kick off our Thursday together. 70s is what we're expecting area-wide for the next couple of hours. 79 is the reading here at Camp Mabry, downtown Austin. South winds less than 5 miles per hour. And still running a little bit warmer with the feels like temperature because of the humidity. That's going to be applied for the afternoon too. So the thermometer is going to show you 98. I expect the heat index to be hovering near 100. Yesterday, our heat index topped out at 102. Rain chance, I'm going to drop to 20% today. Still anticipate a few of these isolated showers and weak storms to develop. There's just probably not going to be as many out there today compared to what we had yesterday. So your high temperatures, upper 90s to low 100s until some of those storms start to bubble up. But again, it's not something that we can count on, that rain-cooled air. There's just not going to be a whole lot out there today. A few spots, if we're lucky enough to find ourselves underneath a shower, maybe a few tenths of an inch to a quarter of an inch, but most of this will not be heavy rain. A couple spots of gusty winds and frequent lightning too, but very low severe risk, very low flooding concern today. Tomorrow, that rain chance is pretty confined to the areas along and east of I-35 at 10%. So the rain chances today and tomorrow, 10 to 20%, not a big deal. Let's talk about what changes heading into the weekend, because this high pressure system that's actually been hovering out over parts of the deep south in Florida, getting closer to us, and there's clockwise flow around high pressure. That's important because it pulls up what's in the Gulf to central Texas, and what's in the Gulf will, starting today, once this wave gets spit out into the southwest portion of the Gulf, it's likely to throw a whole lot of tropical moisture our way as we get into tomorrow and Saturday. The odds of it becoming a tropical depression or something stronger are low. There's some very warm water down there, which this storm is going to eat, but I just don't think it's going to spend enough time over the ocean to get itself together. Here's what one high-resolution model shows it looking like as it approaches us through the day today, a cluster, a very unorganized cluster of storms and showers here, and then it comes on shore, this surge in moisture somewhere, looks like northeast Mexico, South Texas, as we get into tomorrow. And then tomorrow into Saturday, we'll be watching some of these bands of some heavy rain at times, some thunderstorms too for parts of the valley and into central Texas. So that's why I've bumped up your rain chance on Saturday. It's because of that tropical disturbance in the Gulf. There is no support from any computer that this becomes a hurricane. There's only one showing it becoming a tropical storm. Most of the computers and most of the new data that I was looking at this morning keeps this subtropical storm status, which is good. But we'll still have to watch for some scattered showers, especially I'm thinking for the first part of the day Saturday right now. We'll, of course, modify that as this thing gets closer. In the meantime, mid to upper 90s for a while, some low rain chances, but still pretty hot as we get back into the swing of things early next week. Erica?